contrast. Contrast is based on stark differences. Polarity is when they go polar opposite ends of the stick, of the spectrum. Duality has to do with rigid distinctions between two phenomena, right? But contrast is just stark difference. So when two things just seem different, contrast. So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context. And now, the juxtaposition of incongruity is the whole process of merging this incompatibility into some sort of cohesive phenomena. So it's supposed to be contrast, but when you juxtapose them, there's a cohesiveness to this polarity. They become one. A duality and ambiguity simultaneously, because paradoxes is based on contradictory. Ambiguity deals with indecisiveness. We see that in abstract visual art, where the art may have ambiguous interpretations, multiple interpretations. And because we have the wave...
And what I've observed is